Hello students, I am Mr. Vijay Kumar Divakar and you watching our YouTube channel Vijay Divakar Chemistry Classes. Most welcome. It is a second numerical question of your chemistry books and it is a chemistry syllabus. Our first chapter solid state. We are studying about the first chapter of class 12th solid state. Second numerical question, if three elements P, Q and R present in cubical crystalline solid, where P element present in vertex, P element present in their vertex, Q atom present in their body center and R atom present in their face, all face, present in their face, all faces, centered. Then find their compound of formula. Then find the compounds formula. How to solve this question? Suppose that this diagram is a unit cell. It is a unit cell and you know that unit cell is cubical and it has a 8 vertex and 6 faces. Suppose that it is vertex, it is vertex, it is vertex, it is also vertex and downside 4 vertex, upside 4 vertex, total number of vertex is 8 and P elements, P atom present in vertex, P atom present in each vertex, it is present, देखिए P, 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 यहाँ भी P है, 8P and you know that number of particles in each vertex is only 1/8 part, only 1/8. Each vertex has atomic number of roll atomic particle is 1/8 particles. So number of P atom, so number of P atom equal to 1/8 into 8th times. So number of P atom equal to 1/8 into 8th times. 8 is 8 vertex and each vertex has 1/8 particle of P. So number of P atom equal to 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. Similarly, number of Q atom, similarly number of Q atoms, number of Q atom equal to, देखिए यहाँ पर Q atom present in their body centers. It is a body centers. Body center means center of such as your room. Suppose that your room is a unit cell. It is a shape of cubicle. So body center is a interstitial space. Only space. Q is present in space. Main centers of your room, main center of cubicle cell. So does not distribution of this point, does not dividend of this center. So center has only one particle, does not distribution. So number of Q atom equal to only one atom. It is present in center, cannot dividend by this. Similarly, R atom present in their face, all face center. R atom present in their all face centered. You know that cubical cell has 6 faces, 6 faces, 4 walls and up and down, total 6 faces. Suppose that it is a face center of this face. It is a face center of this face. R atom present in the face center. It is a face center of this face. R atom present in their face center. It is a face center of upper side. It is a face center of back side. It is a face center of front side. So number of R atom present in their unit cell. You know that face centered atomic particle distribution in two. Distribution in two parts, half part roll atomic in this unit cell and another half taken another unit cell. So number of R atom equal to half part. How many times of half? Number of face is 6, therefore 1/2 into 6 equal to 3. Then compound formula, then compound formula of cubical cell, compound formula of crystalline solid equal to number of p atom is 1, number of q atom is also 1, number of r atom is 3, therefore pqr3 is the compound formula, it is the answer. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इस तरह से आप लोग को न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करनी है और एग्जाम में भी इसी मेथड से आपको डायग्राम बनाते हुए इसी टेक्निक से आप लोग को लिखनी है, क्योंकि ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, बिल्कुल बोर्ड एग्जाम में आने लायक क्वेश्चन है। आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन का तैयारी कीजिए। हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल आपको मोस्ट एमपी क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो आप लोग के मोबाइल तक पहुंचाएगा। इसके लिए आप हमारे चैनल पर बने रहें। बिल्कुल यू कंटिन्यू वाचिंग अवर यूट्यूब चैनल विजय दिवाकर केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस एंड न्यू मोस्ट IMP टू IMP एग्जाम बोर्ड, जितने भी आपके बेस्ड प्लानिंग क्वेश्चन है, IMP मोस्ट IMP क्वेश्चन है, वो सारे क्वेश्चन ऑल क्वेश्चन का वीडियो सॉल्यूशन जो है हम बना करके ला रहे हैं आपके लिए। यू कंटिन्यू वाचिंग आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड टच द बेल आइकन, देन एट फर्स्टली आई गिव यू नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ important question, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Take the screenshot of this question. Take the screenshot of this question. Take screenshot of this question, please. Take screenshot of this question. I give you some second. Take screenshot of this question. Thank you so much.